Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I'm gonna make a painting on this small canvas. As previous videos, uh, I did the same, but in today's video, I'm gonna make a painting for Christmas. And before Christmas, if you buy this painting, I will give you the big offer. Okay, big offer for you. So stay tuned with me and watch the full video. This is 5 by 5 inches. Okay, let's start. Here is my palette and water ready, and the brushes also, and mixing palette, sorry, painting knife. This is mixing palette. Okay, so I'm gonna make a white layer on this, that will be a wash, and let me increase the light. So light is sufficient now. This is white, actually titanium white, yeah, titanium white, and this is purely opaque, not transparent or semi-transparent, exactly opaque. This is acrylic medium, acrylic paint I'm using. Okay, this layer is finished. Let it dry a little bit. Okay, so this is now a little wet. I can use some colors there, and sorry, in this painting I wanna use red. Red is just for the background. One more color, that is green. Gold to mix in both the shades. This is gold. Let's dry it. Then after drying, I will make the final layer and the textures. This is dried now, and this painting will be very different to other paintings because I'm using very light tone or the white over these all the layers, and then I will create the texture. This is white, titanium white, and I will use lemon yellow. To mix in this color. Oh my god. Okay. So this is very light yellow. the center I used very light white to highlight the main elements. So now this is completed, only the texturing is remaining. Now I will create the textures with this. I can also use this. First time I'm using the back side of this painting knife. How is this? Show me your opinion for this painting, and like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.